off a day. It's Adam Butcher with the Triple J Service Department. Most of us don't think about our windshield wipers until well into the rainy season. Today, I'm going to show you how to change out your windshield wipers. Step 1. You're going to want to put the wipers in an upright position. To do this, turn the ignition switch on, activate the wipers, and at the top of the sweep, turn the ignition switch off. Step 2. Pull the windshield wiper away, press down on the button, and slide the windshield wiper out of the arm. Step 3. Slide the new windshield wiper into the arm until you hear the audible click and the wiper is secured into place. And that's all there is to it. Other common types of wipers will have the release lever here, here, or here. Having a clear, clean windshield will improve safety and help you see the road ahead. Thank you for choosing Triple J.